dear. And you were on the wrong side of the road. Almost hit me.
I already know you're not gonna give me forgiveness, dude. I know.
We're gonna do you know your ABCs?
Yes.
I want you to say A to Z without stopping and as fast as you can.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, H, I, J, K, L, like Z. Like, I don't fucking...
It was a quiet night on February 22nd, 2025, when an officer spotted a white Subaru driving on the wrong side of the road. As he made a U-turn, the driver Sheila suddenly jumped a curb, nearly crashing into an ATM. Sheila seemed disoriented and emotional. She repeatedly mentioned needing to get home to her baby, ignoring commands and escalating the situation. Officers noticed slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a strong smell of alcohol. A breathalyzer confirmed their suspicions. Sheila blew a .159 BAC, double the legal limit.
Hi.
No, I'm saying, yeah, I put this. Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Hello. Hey, yeah. Yeah.
Can you hang up the phone, please?
I just want to tell him that I got pulled over.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got pulled over by a cop. Like, I'm like kind of scared right now.
Do you know you were on the wrong side of the road? Hi, the cop that pulled you over.
Yeah, I know. I have to go. No, I know.
Well, don't get out. Are you okay?
No, yes,
Where are you coming from?
I just had, like, dude, can I tell you, like, no, I just had a baby 3 weeks ago.
Okay. So what were you doing tonight?
And, I was just making my way back home.
Okay,
I promise.
Where were you coming from?
My sister's house.
Your sister's house?
Yeah.
What were you doing there?
I was just hanging out with her.
Drinking a little bit?
No, she was taking the pictures of my baby.
Okay. Where's your baby at now?
He's with my mom.
Okay. Do you take medication for anything? What?
No.
Okay. Do you realize
I did before I realized that I was like, what the, like, you getting behind me made me so nervous.
Well, I didn't get behind you. I stopped in the middle of the road so you didn't hit me head on. Perfect. And then you ran over the curb. You understand that's a curb to the plaza?
I know.
Okay.
I understand the seriousness
Well,
of it.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Please, sir.
This is, if you're saying you just had a kid, you said 7 days ago?
Well, like, no, it was 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
But,
Okay.
oh my God, it's not in the past. Like, what?
No, but
please, like, give me forgiveness. Please give me forgiveness, because.
Well, here's the thing. There's like levels of forgiveness, dear. And you were on the wrong side of the road. Almost hit me.
I already know you're not gonna give me forgiveness, dude. I know.
Well, just level me and tell me what's going on, because it's just odd. All this is odd.
I need help.
Why do you need help?
Because I can't drive anyways, like.
Why can't you drive?
Ever since years ago, like, okay. I got my license suspended. I've been freaking out since. Like, I'm always anxious. Here, anyways.
It's cold. We're gonna go have a talk back in my cruiser, okay? So
oh God.
Turn off the car. Just set the keys up on the dash.
I literally have to get home to breastfeed my kid.
Okay.
So.
Well, you can't.
Can I do that?
You can't breastfeed your child while you're intoxicated. Is this your first child?
No, I'm not intoxicated. I promise you.
Then what's going
Please
on?
breathalyze me. Breathalyze me.
Okay.
Please.
Did we use drugs or something tonight?
No, I'm just freaking out.
Okay. Here, just turn off the car.
I promise you.
Go ahead, step out for me.
No, I'm.
Okay. Just walk back there.
My baby.
Okay, we're gonna have a conversation. Let's walk back there. No weapons on you or anything? No? Hold on, you could stop right there. Well, hold on. So, I noticed an odor of...
Baby needs me, please.
Sheila, you can't do that.
Dude, I am not telling you. I'm telling you, my baby needs me. He lives off of my breast, dude.
Okay.
I need you to get
Well,
me home.
Sheila, something's going on because you're not acting right.
I'm freaking out now because you're not gonna bring me home. Oh my God, what is he gonna do?
Well, I would like you to go home, but we got...
Yes.
I'm not gonna... Okay, you can stop that. Listen to me very carefully.
I'm freaking out.
Sheila, you gotta listen to me.
He literally eats some of me.
Okay.
What do you want me to do?
Sheila, you gotta listen to me because I suspect that you're impaired. Okay?
I am freaking out because I can't breathe because my kid can't eat.
Okay. Would you be willing to do some field sobriety tests?
Yes, I was
Okay.
actually waiting for you to ask.
All right,
me
the
if
first
I could
ones.
do that.
Okay, the first ones we're gonna do. Do you know your ABCs?
Yes.
I want you to say A to Z without stopping and as fast as you can.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V H I J K L like Z. Like I don't fucking know, dude.
Okay.
You
were doing.
could be with
You
my
were
baby.
you were doing good, but then you.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay.
Let's go.
Do you know how to?
Please be with my baby.
I won't get one this time, I know, because
All right, I'm gonna have you blow into this, okay?
it's been hours.
Long, steady breath. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hold on. Relax. You gotta blow on it. You can't suck, okay?
I'm not sucking.
Long, steady breath. Trying to get deep, long air like you're blowing up a blue. Keep going. You're doing great. Keep going. Good. You can stop. So obviously you were drinking over at your sister's, right? Just a little bit. What were you drinking? Wine, seltzers, mixed drinks, beer.
No.
Well, I have an odor of alcohol. You didn't do great on the alphabet. You just got a .159 on a breathalyzer. It's not. You gotta level with me, like because one.
I'm not fucking drinking. I'm literally telling you.
Okay.
I'm not drinking tonight. I am literally completely safe.
You said you were still willing to do the field sobriety test.
Yes, I would love to. I'm not drinking. I'm not doing anything.
All right, we're gonna step over into the parking lot and do the field sobriety test. Okay? Does that work for you? Do you want me to get a tissue for your nose first?
No, dude, I don't need no tissue.
Okay.
I just don't think I could do this one sooner, but I mean, I am bored. I really just wanted.
Make sure we're touching heel to toe. Perfect.
I just literally stop.
Make sure we're counting aloud.
I'm not drunk. I literally had one Miller Lite. I felt vomit.
How many steps are you on?
I'm trying. Go. You're literally freaking me out.
Remember, now we got to take 9 heel to toe steps back to your starting position.
Okay. Oh my God. Alright. Give me a tissue.
Okay. All right, Sheila. We got
No,
one.
I failed. Yeah.
What?
Yay.
Yeah,
I failed. You're so happy.
No, not really. Okay.
Dude,
we have-
I'm freezing cold too. Can I not like have a coat?
I think you're good.
Yeah.
Like, can I at least have a
All right,
coat?
here, I'm gonna go have you. The last
not
test I can have
trying-
you
like,
sit,
I'm too-
and I can. Here, we're gonna go. One.
So disturbed.
Here, I'm gonna have you sit in the car.
This one has a heater in the back. I'll get it on.
Here, just face him.
Please, God.
Hold on, we got one more test. You willing to do it?
I want to. Yes.
Okay. Do you want to look at me?
Yes.
Okay.
I swear to God, I didn't even
Okay,
drink
hold
tonight. I only drank one Bud Light.
Hold on, Sheila. Go ahead, look at me. Keep your head still. I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Follow it with the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. You ready? Doing good. 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 You're being arrested. Hold on. You're being arrested for OVI. Hold on, before you freak out. We're gonna have you call someone. We just have to get
Can
our.
you breathalyze me?
We already did that. Once we get our paperwork done, you get a signature bond. So you're not being held. You're going to be released. We just have to get through all the paperwork that's required
Dude,
for OVI.
I have to pump every hour of the night. I have to go home.
We're trying to be
I
quick,
literally,
but
my baby's going to die if you don't.
we have to tow the car.
Come on.
What do you need out of the car?
I grabbed your wallet.
What do I do?
I grabbed your wallet, your phone.
What
and
do
your
I do? My baby's going to die. My baby's going to die. I just had a baby.
We're here tomorrow. If she wants to do a property release, she can do a property release.
My baby. Please,
Sheila, I just got to check your code,
Can my parents just come get me or
In a
something?
few hours, your parents can come get you. Yes.
Hey, Sheila, I got to check your right coat pocket, okay?
Please.
Here, just move your arm a little bit.
Dude, I just had a baby.
We're not gonna keep you from your baby. We're gonna make sure you get out of here tonight.
Oh my
I don't know if
God.
you want to check her any better, but...
I have to.
All right.
You just have to call my parents.
We're gonna do that in a minute.
They have to feed my baby.
Man, I was really rooting not for OVI.
In the end, Sheila Luich was arrested for DUI after blowing 0.159 BAC, twice the legal limit. What started as a simple traffic stop quickly escalated due to her refusal to cooperate. But here's the question: did she make it worse for herself? Or was she just too far gone to realize? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I take your phone next.